parts that came in and that were ordered for the build. Like I said before, there's a few items that I was gonna get. You know, might as well while the motor's out, so it can be a lot easier to replace them. All right. So without further ado, here we go. They barely came in today, not even maybe like 10-15 minutes ago. All right. So why don't you guys be here while I open them up as well? All right. All right. So here we go. As you can tell, I got these parts from HINSON Motorsports. Oh yeah. Bam. I got this too, and I know what this is. Bam. 3 parts that I ordered came in. Alright. So I've never replaced the motor mounts on my car. And seeing that the motor is out right now would be one of the easier times to do this. So I went ahead and ordered the motor mounts. On the website they had these little shields for the motor mounts. So I went ahead and ordered this as well. There you go. So those are gonna go wrapped around this, and I ended up going with the stock height, just because I don't plan on getting like a LSA blower or some type of supercharger where there's gonna be some type of hood clearance issues. The other item that I went for is this. Check it out. This was the fuel line. So I went with this. It's obviously more durable. It looks a lot nicer. And you don't want to get no fuel leaks or catch your car on fire because you didn't replace the hose. And there you go. Nice and tight, nice and clean. This is the braided fuel line for the 0506 GTO. Let me pop these guys open real quick. Alright, so I had to put the phone on the floor so you guys can see it as well. These are the heat shields. They weren't too expensive, and I figured, well, if I'm going to switch out the motor mounts, and I mean it does get hot where the motor's at the same time, just some extra protection. So these are going to go wrapped like this, right? Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Bam! You got your wrapped motor mount right here. Can protect against heat, debris, whatever. And here's the second one. Same one like that. Here's how it looks. This is gonna go wrapped like this. There it is. That's that. And this is what I ordered. Yeah, man. So far, I like the way they look, and I know it's gonna make the car more responsive because it's gonna be less flex through the drivetrain. So yeah, here you go. These are the HINSON motor mounts, polyurethane. And they even threw in a free sticker. Sweet. Alright, so when removing them, it was pretty straightforward. I just needed a 18mm socket, ratchet, whatever. Took it out. So here's how it looks like, right? Alright, it looks like the seal ripped from right here. It's all supposed to be one piece. So I had a lot of flex, and this is the passenger side. Here's the driver's side. Same thing, man. I don't think they're supposed to be this loose. But yeah, dude. So for sure, I need to replace them. I'm glad I did now, because that's what was going on. That was a lot of flex right here for sure. A lot of play. So these are going to be solid, way better. It's going to be a lot more responsive now for sure, no doubt. And yeah, so that's how it goes. I'm just going to switch over these shields maybe to the top side. I'm not too sure. I mean, I don't think it would hurt, because that's where the bracket's going to sit on top from the mount itself. to the block. So we'll see how that goes, just side by side. As far as for the height though, the height does look good. The height's the same actually, on the mount itself. So the height of the mount itself, the thickness, it's the same from here to here. It's just that this piece in the bottom is cracked open, it's open, so but when I push it together, it's the same height, stock height. There you go. And this I'll probably just throw on top. We'll see if it'll get in the way or not. But yeah, that's how the stock ones versus the new ones look like. Almost pretty easy. I'm gonna throw them back on. Or you know what, just let me show you right now. Actually, it'll just be like this. Pretty straightforward. These will just drop right in like that. Bam. And the other one right there. And the mount to the block will go right here somewhere. So that's how they're gonna look like. And there you have it. The HINSON Motormounts on a 2006 GTO. And just make sure when you guys are gonna put the nuts back on that they get torqued to spec for the motor mount. I believe they were 59 foot-pounds. So make sure they get torqued correctly. And it would be under right here. Bam. Alright guys, there you go. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you guys liked it or not. I hope you guys did though. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more of this. And hope you guys have a great day. Take care.